Wondering what to do when your CM5418 single cup, double cup, and steam lights flashing rapidly, along with an alarm sound? Don't worry, I'm here to help explain the cause and give you a quick fix. This issue occurs when the steam knob is left in the steam position after using the steam wand. It's a built-in feature designed to prevent the machine from malfunctioning. To prevent this from happening, always turn the steam knob to the off position after using the steam function. Here's how to resolve it. Simply turn the steam knob to the off position. The alarm will stop immediately and the flashing lights on the single cup, double cup, and steam buttons will turn off. Once that's done, your CM5418 will be ready for coffee extraction as usual. So remember to turn the steam knob back to the off position after each use to avoid triggering this alarm. If the issue persists, please contact our customer service team for further assistance.